One thing I like is a little bit of creativity. And this one, it's a repeat of what I discussed earlier. It is calculating the first day of the previous month. How do we do that? Well, we're going to use the end of month. And then how are you going to calculate the first day of the previous month? You know what the end of month function does, right? It's going to give us what happens here. We go 4/20/29, and if we ask for the end of the month, what's it going to give us? It's going to give us April 30th, and we want first day of the previous month. What we can do is look at end of month, but you can go backwards with end of month. You're saying, what? Well, yeah. If we went end of month minus 2, what's that going to give us? That's going to give us March 31st. And then, how do we get the first day of the previous month? Think about it for a second. I clearly give you the tip here, but E5, just get rid of this here. We're going to see, because this is an F9 format, 12/28, the previous month, we have to go back 2 months, and we want the first day of the previous month. So we go back 2 months, and that's going to give us October 31st. And what if we add 1 to this? And it's going to switch on us, but you can see what happens here. It's going to give us the first day of June 1st. We're going to go back to May 31st. Then we're going to add 1. Actually, May 30th. Pretty tricky, huh? I like this one. I like this kind of stuff. It doesn't come to you immediately, but once you start fussing around with Excel, you're going to see some really interesting and creative approaches to solving problems. And I guess that's one of the good sides of Excel. The negatives are just all of the nuances, all of the stuff piled on top of 37 years of software design. But that's neither here nor there. Our focus here is just figuring out this calculate the first day of the previous month. And that's just a nifty little technique. Read this over here. And if you have any questions, just keep practicing. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.